a deep dish pizza, but it's a sunflower seed. Let's see how accurate this tastes because I'm intrigued. Smackin Sunflower comes out with some of the wildest flavors, okay? And this one was no exception because, like, deep dish pizza. What? That smells like marinara sauce. First off, I love the size. I'm pretty sure they're jumbo. But look we got a good bit of the flavor powder on there. I'm excited. Immediately. That is so good. It tastes like marinara. It tastes like cheese, but not powdered cheese. I don't like that. It tastes like pizza cheese, like cooked cheese. Marinara sauce. That's like perfect. That is so spot on. I don't know how they get their things to just taste exactly how they should every single time and have such weird flavors. I love the cheese flavor on that. If you love sunflower seeds already, this brand not only has just like good quality sunflower seeds, but they have some weird flavors and they're all good. But these are in the TikTok shop right here with my name. You could have coupons that'll make it even cheaper. And in case you didn't know, as long as you open it correctly, they're resealable, which I love.